But health officials have issued an alert that the cold weather increases chances of contracting respiratory infections, including COVID-19. Already a higher positivity rate has been recorded since the onset of July, which is now considered Kenya's coldest month. Today, 13 COVID-19 related deaths have been recorded, with an additional 544 people testing positive from a smaller sample size. Here now is Elfas Lagat with more details.
The numbers of confirmed COVID-19 cases keep on rising, with a similar rise in patient deaths emerging. Health officials have raised concerns over the effect of the current cold weather. Failure to keep warm and living in poorly ventilated spaces, health officials warn, puts one at a higher risk of respiratory infections, including COVID-19, common flu and tuberculosis.
During this cold season, the country has continued to witness an upsurge in COVID-19 cases, and being an infectious airborne condition, there are concerns of its rise during this period.
With the cold weather aggravating the already surging new cases, the country reported an additional 544 patients who tested positive for coronavirus today from 2,653 samples tested. The country's total caseload now stands at 22,597. Of concern to health officials again is the high positivity rate, which stood at 20%, which translates to 20 positive cases in every 100 people who were tested. This means that more people are turning out positive even when a smaller sample size is tested.
The youngest case is a 1-year-old infant. The oldest is an 84-year-old.
13 patients have died as a result of the respiratory illness today, raising the number concerningly to 382. Of the fatalities, 10 had multiple underlying conditions, while 3 had no conditions. Nairobi leads the pack yet again among counties as the epicenter with 412. Kiambu coming second with 27 positive cases. Machakos recorded 17, as Kajiado also recorded 17. Garissa, Uasin Gishu and Mombasa recording 16, 14 and 9 respectively. 263 patients recovered today, taking the tally of recovery since the onset of the pandemic to 8,740. Ministry of Health officials also saying Tanzania had been listed as a safe country, ostensibly to calm a brewing diplomatic spat.
Tanzanians bringing in cargo into this country. Now, when it comes to the airspace, it is no different because, again, they will be subjected to the provision of a COVID-19 certificate.
With there being a direct correlation between COVID-19 numbers and the cold weather, health authorities are prevailing on Kenyans to keep warm and hydrate, and also observe the safety protocols to keep the COVID-19 disease and other respiratory illnesses at bay. Elfas Lagat, Citizen TV, Nairobi.